Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones setups for today. So, what do you all make of that move yesterday? I did say it could be an exhaustion bar, and I suppose that's what it was an exhaustion bar. And hindsight's always a perfect science, so I just want to highlight that there is this half-hearted pin bar. This pin bar is a little bit better, but there's this half-hearted pin bar here on the 8th hour, and you can see how that was respected by the Dow Jones, coming back onto some structure. So didn't quite get to a decent level. Oh, I did. I just got onto it before looking to move, but it basically eroded all the gains from the previous day. So this could be a pullback onto structure to validate an uptrend on the 8th hour. That's what it does look like. We are still in an uptrend on the 3 hour, but strong move up, big move down. And basically just destroying every level that we were looking for an opportunity to buy. I mean, this would have been an awesome opportunity at 39,297, but obviously the markets know that and proceeded to rally past it or fall past it, and triggering a lot of retail traders stop losses here. That's another reason why I wait for the confirmation before jumping in on stuff. We do have a trend line break, so there's a couple of things here. First thing is that was the original trend line. See how we respected it, and now we've broken it. And if I drop to the next fractal, we have still broken that trend line. So be very cautious. This is not something that you want to second guess at the moment, and we're back in amongst all the moving averages here on the 3 hours, so that always indicates a potential range. So when we look at the hour, you can see that we have basically dropped fairly rapidly yesterday, and we're now in amongst the moving averages here. So this could set up for a flag for another leg down. There is a lot of support lower down. I mean, there's just, you can see there's one strong area of support here at 38,891. Yeah, so I'm not entirely convinced. The fact that we did not adhere to 39,297 just tells me that the market is extremely confused and has no idea what's going on. So, this thing could drop further, or it could just start forming a big range here. And the DAX is forming a range, which is interesting. But yeah, the S&P is looking like a flag break to the upside. So yeah, it's not an easy time to be trading, to be honest. It's a very volatile setup. And look at this, you've got a nice inside bar off this level, and then proceeded to chow all the stop losses, and even broke up above that area. But anyway, I suppose the minute you saw that bar, because it didn't close, the green body doesn't close above the previous green body, so there's no momentum. It started looking like that, probably would have looked like that on the 5 minutes, yeah? No, it's on the 5 minutes. There's your inside bar, and then you've got an engulfing bar that closed below it. So yeah, it's a tough setup. I think I would have taken, I didn't get in on that, but that definitely would have taken my stop loss, that because I would have been in on that inside bar, stopped just below here, and it would have been not even an hour later we are being taken out. So anyway, I think for me at the moment this is extremely confusing, especially when you look at the daily. So you've got 3 nice moves up, and then you've got this massive engulfing bar. And if you look left, you can see there is a lot of chaos here, but I just don't trust it at the moment. I really don't trust it for a move to the upside. I think you're probably going to see something along the lines of this being your trend line. So price just being volatile, coming down and testing somewhere down at 38,500 before moving back up. Might be wrong, it might actually just respect this daily level 39,160, or alternatively this one at 39,026 or 3900. But we do have a crossover here of the moving averages, so from a daily perspective it does look like the longer term is a move to the upside. But when you look at the hourly like this, you just well, I don't want to get involved in that. Look at this range previously, we broke it decently, we didn't come back and test it. Now we're flirting with the bottom of what this range was, with price action just in the middle of nowhere, and I don't really trust it. So that just means I'm sitting on the side. So for this and the DAX, I'm definitely sitting on the side. The S&P 500, there is an opportunity there. I think that's the one to watch. It's brewing for something, and if it does do its break, it's got a relatively decent flag break, which will give you a swing trade over a couple of days, which should make you a tidy sum of money. Anyway, that's kind of my view on the indexes today. I hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.